Welcome to Autos Time, where every ride has a story. Today we're diving into one of the most exciting comebacks in the American automotive world, the 2026 Pontiac Grand Prix. Yes, you heard it right. Pontiac is back, and it's bringing the iconic Grand Prix nameplate into the future with a bold new design, powerful performance, and a modern edge that redefines what a full-size American sedan should be. Once known as the heart-thumping muscle car from the golden era of American automobiles, the Pontiac Grand Prix has always symbolized speed, comfort, and road presence. The 2026 model doesn't just live up to the legacy, it revives it in the most thrilling way possible. With sleek aerodynamic lines, LED light signatures, and aggressive styling cues, this new Grand Prix instantly commands attention. View. Front grille is wide and angular, echoing the brand's performance DNA, while the low-slung stance reminds you this isn't your average family car. Under the hood, Pontiac engineers didn't hold back. The Grand Prix offers two engine options. First, a 2.7-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine with over 300 horsepower, perfect for drivers who want a punchy, responsive ride with great fuel economy. But the real treat is the high-performance GT variant, which comes equipped with a 3.6-liter twin-turbo V6 pushing close to 450 horsepower. That's right, a front-wheel drive monster that can go from 0 to 60 in just under 4.8 seconds. If you're a fan of high-performance sedans, this car checks all the boxes. The interior of the 2026 Pontiac Grand Prix is where luxury meets innovation. Step inside and you're greeted by a wraparound digital cockpit with a 15-inch infotainment display and a fully customizable driver's cluster. The materials feel upscale, with leather, brushed aluminum, and carbon fiber accents depending on the trim. The seats are bolstered yet comfortable, perfect for long road trips or spirited drives through winding roads. Ambient lighting, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a premium 14-speaker audio system make every ride feel like a first-class experience. Technology doesn't stop at the dashboard. The Grand Prix is packed with smart features including adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system. Pontiac has also introduced a semi-autonomous driving mode for highway cruising, putting the Grand Prix on par with today's top-tier tech-savvy sedans. But here's where things get really interesting. Pontiac has added a performance drive mode selector with multiple settings: comfort, sport, track, and even custom. These modes change the throttle response, steering sensitivity, suspension dampers, and even the engine sound through an active exhaust system. That means one car, many personalities, from calm cruiser to full-on street fighter. Fuel economy is surprisingly good for a car with this much power. The base model offers around 30 mpg on the highway, while the GT variant delivers a respectable 24 mpg combined. With an available hybrid version rumored to be in the works, Pontiac seems determined to appeal to both thrill seekers and eco-conscious drivers alike. Design-wise, Pontiac has nailed the balance between heritage and future. You'll notice subtle nods to the classic Grand Prix. The sharp creases, wide rear end, and sculpted hood all hint at its muscle car ancestry. Yet, the overall design feels fresh, futuristic, and ready to compete in a market dominated by European and Japanese rivals. The 2026 Pontiac Grand Prix is more than just a car. It's a statement. It says American performance is alive and well. It says Pontiac isn't done making history. And most of all, it reminds us why we fell in love with driving in the first place. Whether you're a longtime Pontiac fan or someone looking for a new kind of sedan experience, the Grand Prix delivers in every way that matters. Thanks for watching Autos Time. If you love fast cars, powerful machines, and iconic comebacks, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. This is just the beginning of Pontiac's return, and we'll be here to cover every twist and turn. See you on the next ride. Give me a shocking word. Eyes click bit title description, hashtag and keyword, powerful SEO.